Hi everyone, my name is Daria, and today I would like to guide you, our future clients, through the process of how we work, how we operate at Humphreys Cabinets, starting from initial call, estimate, given a quote, to the final stage of painting. So how do you get a quote? So it's very simple. You just call us. You call us or send us an email. You can contact us on any social media. By the way, I'm gonna attach it here so you have the names of our profiles. You contact us. My colleague Veronica or my colleague Christina will answer the phone and they will guide you through the process. They will give you the estimate for what you want, and they will also arrange a design visit if your idea, if the unit that you want is something that we can actually do. We can organize a design visit, and after that you'll get a quotation from our designers. So we have a great team of designers who come on site, they take measurements, they go through design with you fully, and then based on that we make a quotation. So what happens after? So if you are happy with the quotes, we proceed with the more advanced technical drawings, 3D models. And one of our project managers will be guiding you through these drawings. So it would be easier for you to read them, to understand them. Also, you will have a chance to give your revisions. So any adjustments that you'd like to make at this stage, they will be passed to our project manager, and our drawings team will adjust the drawings and will send them back to you for approval. Obviously, just right after everything's approved, we only then start the production process. So in the workshop, the guys will cut your pieces, they will cut the materials, will make the doors, will do all the preparation needed for this job. And then one of our carpenters, one of our lead carpenters, will arrive on site with all the materials needed and will start the carpentry process. So if you'd like your units to be hand painted rather to have a melamine finish on them. So by the way, melamine is something we talked about in our earlier videos, so you can just go back and watch that video. So if you'd like your units to be hand painted, our beautiful fairy Kimi, our painter, will arrive on site to do the hand painting for you. And that would be the final step, the final stage of this process. Thank you so much for watching, and don't hesitate to give us a call.